Good morning, loving soul. It is the beginning of a fresh new day. Today, you get to choose to treat yourself with so much love and care. Beginning with the first things you say to yourself today. I invite you to take a moment to feel into the precious inner child inside of you. Visualize their sweet face, their earnest, wide eyes, their big, incredibly caring heart, and sharing some loving and supportive words with them on this morning. Sweet one, today is a brand new day, and we get to choose together the most wonderful and truly nourishing ways to use our time and energy. I promise you that I will listen to you and deeply honor you. That I will create a safe container today for you to grow and heal and do things that will light you up. That we will take some time today to get outside and enjoy the beauty of Mama Earth. That I will give you love, presence, and attunement today. That I will tend to filling your cup, and I won't abandon your needs to seek love and validation outside myself. And tuning into your precious body and what you would most like to say to it this morning. Beautiful body, I love and truly cherish you exactly as you are. Not how I might imagine you to be different. I choose to fully and completely appreciate and adore you exactly as you are in this moment. I am grateful for you. I am here with you and for you. We are loving allies, and we always will be. Thank you for giving me such clear signals about what is and is not right for me. Thank you for making it so clear when it's time for things in my lifestyle to change. I will reverently tend to the inner temple today by practicing deep self-care. I will prioritize getting plenty of fresh air, movement, rest, and nourishing food. In the choices I make today, I will remember to embody self-love and self-care. I honor and celebrate how much growth, healing, and evolution has been happening, and remember how much I truly deserve to acknowledge myself for my perseverance, courage, and heart. As I start this fresh new day, I turn the kindness that I offer so generously to others towards myself first. I honor myself. I love myself. I cherish myself. I celebrate myself. I hold myself with tenderness and sweetness. Today, I fill my cup to overflowing with my own loving attunement and honoring care. Bless this day, and may I be divinely guided each and every step. And so it is.